Sencon, the intelligent control system for maximum efficiency. More than just a control system, a revolution for your machine. The driver comfort of tomorrow, custom operator profiles, an intuitive interface and smart assistance features for maximum precision. From different tasks to varying driving styles, Sencon fine-tunes machine parameters for optimal performance in every operation. Integrated assistance systems like the working area limitation ensure safe machine movements, while semi-autonomous driving functions provide even more control and safety. Sencon also prepares your machine for remote operation and fully automated driving, making your workflow smarter and more secure. Solve issues faster with real-time diagnostics. Operators get instant guidance from the office or a remote service specialist. No need to wait for on-site support. Many issues can be resolved directly, keeping your machine running and downtime to a minimum. With Sencon, you unlock your machine's full potential. Optimized workflows, reduced downtime, and peak performance. Stay ahead with over-the-air updates that keep your machine optimized. No workshop visits or manual intervention required. Even after purchase, new features such as automation enhancements can be easily installed and activated, ensuring continuous improvement and future-ready operations. Smart connectivity for maximum efficiency. Sentrac allows fleet managers to gain deep insights into machine performance, utilization, and optimization potential. With its intelligent networking and communication capabilities, Sencon lays the foundation for the future of Senebuild machines, enabling long-term innovation and maximum flexibility to our customers. Sencon, the smart solution for greater efficiency, less maintenance, and maximum performance. Want to learn more?